Hello, and welcome back to Connor's Crypto Trading. In this video, we're going to be talking about Turbo. It's short-term upside targets and short-term downside targets, as well as long-term upside targets. Well, since the last video, we failed to hold the 382. And we went down to test the 236, and that's where we have found major support. Now, what are your next upside targets? Well, if this level holds, we should be looking, our first targets are back up to these small highs at 0.0087. That's 3% away. We get over that, we can test 0.0089, right around 0.009, and if we get over that, we can go test the 382 at 0.0096, and 0.009 is 7% away, and 0.0096 is 13.8% away. Now, if Bitcoin decides to roll over, we'll go to Bitcoin shortly. We are looking for further downside targets. Crap. Alright. That's somewhat right. Let's see. So your next downside targets are right around 0.0081. We break that, we go down to 0.008. And if we break 0.008, we can go down to the 0.007 range. 7.5. And if we break 7.5, then we will most likely break this low at 0.007 and go down to the 0.006 range. And the 0.006 range is about 25% away. Let's switch over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is holding support, holding the $90,000 range. We've had a decent bounce back up to 95,000 from 92,000. We did break this low, but there was enough buyers and it was bought up. And it looks like the RSI is starting to cross, or hasn't quite yet crossed, so we'll probably take a few days for that to happen. When it does, we'll see a pretty nice move for Bitcoin and the whole crypto market. Now, what are the next upside targets for Bitcoin? Back to the point of control at 95,500 is 1% away. Then you have 97,000, that's 3% away. And then these most recent highs at around 99,600, and then 102,800. 99,600 is about 6% away, and 102,800 is 8% away. And you have the all-time high up at 108,000. That's 14.5% away. Now, what are the next targets after the all-time, the latest all-time high. You have 115,000. Let's see. That's 22% away. And then 120,000 is almost 30% away. Now, let's switch back to turbo. Alright. So we should see some resistance at the 236. If we cannot get over the 236, then we will most likely roll over and go down to the 0.007 range. And we should find major support down at that range. Now, what are your spring targets? Your highest spring targets are around 10 cents to as high as 20 cents. Then from where we're at, 10 cents is roughly 11x away, and 20 cents is roughly 24x away. And your long-term upside targets, the end of 2025 targets, are 20 cents to as high as 50 cents. And 50 cents is roughly a 60x away now. And again, I don't expect these high targets until the end of 2025. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your night or day.